Hey, good morning, Trent. Quick demo video for you for your KR Sabers Scavenger. As you know, I left this guy bare bones because you're going to weather it and then wrap it. So this was just a straight install. This is installed with the Proffie and Goth chassis kit that you bought with the Saber. So it's a one-button setup. Your one switch is here in the cog, and I'll show you how that works. Of course, you open it so far, and it opens these fins, and then the last piece of travel is what actually turns it on and off. But we'll go over all that. One thing you want to watch out for on these fins is you can't see them now, but there are some small pins that hold each one of them on. You can kind of see that one right there kind of backed up a little bit. So I push it back in and now it's good. Just want to keep an eye on that every so often. It doesn't back up far enough to come out, but it's just something to keep an eye on, right? But how to get to your chassis, you just want to take the pommel, twist it a little bit and pop it off. It's on a J-lock system, if you can see that there on both sides. You'll see your chassis, and this slides right out just like that. This is printed in multi-jet fusion. It's really nice. So you got your Proffie board right here. It is adhesed down to the shelf, but you can get to your SD card and your micro USB without ever moving the board, right? And then this battery pops right out. This battery came with your kit as well. All right, so we'll just pop it back in there. It does have a kill switch on it. It uses the KR or the stock pixel pin connector. So you got this piece here, and then you've got this pin system in here that never comes out. What else we got? The 28mm KR Saber speaker. It sounds really good. So we'll come over here and we'll just flip the kill switch. Not going to hear anything. On this particular font, it doesn't have any kind of pre-on when you flip the switch on. So we'll come over here, throw it in the Saber, lock it down with the pommel. Push kind of hard on this pommel before you lock it in place, and everything locks in nice and tight. Just come over here and open it slowly, and then a fast click to turn on. So you got your LEDs firing up, a nice shine through your windows. Flash on flash. And then I gave you twist off. So this has the stock font package on it for now. I didn't give you swing on, but I gave you twist off. And then there's a copy of your config file on your SD card, right? But we'll go ahead and we'll throw a blade in here. This takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. I went through and I marked the one screw right here. That's your blade retention, because you've got 4 up here and there's only one that's 1 millimeter longer than the rest. So if you don't want that marking on there, you can take some alcohol and wipe it off. I wanted to give you a way to not have to guess which of those 4 screws was the blade retention. Okay, so we'll throw a blade in here, lock it down. Just a flathead screwdriver. It's kind of hard to do in the dark. And then we'll just do a fast click to turn it on. It's another fast click for your blaster bolt deflex. The blade lockup can be kind of tricky because you got to hold the cog and hit the Saber at the same time. And it'll stay like that till you let go of it. Just like that. And then to get to another sound font, it's a long press on the button, right? Or a long hold on the cog. Smooth fuzz. Just like that. Blade lock up. And we'll do one more. And the rainbow blade. So see the shine through your eye or through your windows. Just like that. And then we'll take the blade out and go over taking the chassis out. Not a whole lot to show since it's the stock font package. Basically just showing you that it works. Take that blade out. Slide these vents all the way closed and then come over here. You can actually reach the kill key from here because I haven't put this together, but of course you will. So after it's all put together and wrapped, obviously you want to come over here from the pommel. Take your pommel off and slide this out, and then just flip your kill switch just like that, and then put it back into here for safekeeping. I am going to leave the battery in it since it has a kill switch and just send it that way. I didn't put any of the greeblies on. You've got these two greeblies here that I'll put in your bag, but those get glued. They get glued right here and then glued right here, and then right after you glue those, that's the best time to wrap the saber. So since you'll be doing your own wrapping, I didn't want to put those on. You can go ahead and glue those in. That's super easy to do. And then of course your blade plug, right, that I've got right here. But other than that, that's pretty much your Scavenger. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this out in the mail to you by tomorrow. All right, thanks.